everyone, welcome back to Sunny Lab Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Soapy Stories and today talking about e.tv scandal. Angazi guys noma singathi rest in peace ngutiro. Ezino ke guys ukuthi uTiro ke akekho ke esayidini eli right for umdala njengoba ke kade funa ke umdala ukuthi ke aboshwe. So guys, what will happen today izoshiya ke sinkemile simangele ukuthi umdala uzohamba ke temperature nemoto ehamba ke uTiro ayamoshe lapha kuma breaks angazi ukuthi uzokwenzani. Then uTiro mase igibele guys ke yeah, it will be the end of part 1. Kuzovele kube khona ke iaccident ke enkulu ke for uTiro. But ke guys, what I can say ukuthi ke uTiro akakazoshona ke kuleyo accident as mangabe ke uchecka ke ama tears mawuqhubeka nawo kuyavela ukuthi ke on the 19 next week on Wednesday, but one misstep or one misstep from uTiro and Taps could be implicated. Okusho ukuthi guys uTiro will survive but ke asazi ke for how long, but nje umdala guys uyaziwa ukuthi akudlalelwa kumdala, but uTiro yenitshela ukuthi ke uhlakaniphile. So yeah guys, does it bring us to the end of this video? Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.